Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kesengking atiar bela syak ken bian kahnyotrap National Liberation Council hakan rodruk leber aratar posan 5 kasiti bela soiru chairman uba Bobby R. Marwen baru general secretary uba san kepar nautrau bela Thung uba Fernando Shangpliang como legal representative ban mi Hakhmat iki kam jong keseng kebede bat kejing beteng ban ken bian yake Hnlc deka Ministry of Home Affairs ke Sarkar India. Ia kini lepentip dau Presiden Jakhnya Trip National Youth Front Basadan Bela hakajinya keran berkilar patai kubor haka khandai trik leber ajar posan Hasilong Press Club. Kajing Thung ke Hnlc uba Fernando Shangpliang kumunong Ïasaid kalong hadir ba ka unlawful activities prevention tribunal kan sa syong bisyara nong ba Shillong kaban salong hakar pu trik leber ajar posan. Kini gadi kesir kebanding kong bagi Hnlc kanya kun persya kajing syak ken bian nadu buka Sarkar India kala ken bian kini kesengking atiar nadu usnam arajar ar.
Nadu usnam arajar ar membaga Sarkar kami membaga Ministry of Home Affairs daka feedback jom ka state government kila declare ka Hnlc kum ka ban organization atau ka UAPA maksudnya Fernando lang kami ba Fernando Shangpliang te kajing pentore golong ba hak apa tadi untuk menai kandon ka hearing ke bala khot lagani ka tribunal ya ke bala ila ya ka seng Hnlc bahkan kontes ya kani ka jing syabang barkani ka sin ke bandung kong nadu usna marjala hadu menta ba ka Hnlc ka bala willing ba kontes ya kani ka declaration as a illegal organization ya seng hi beroi te kata kali jing matang dengan dengan ba ka benta ka khambun ni dan lawyer ya ka seng ka Thung limba ka city of appointment ka ba details introduce ma cha ja usam ka ba Thung da ka seng ya iba Fernando Shangpliang kumu nong sadan ban mi Hakhmat ya ka seng haka apa tarik Hakhmat ka tribunal jong ka union home ministry ban contest ya kata ka jing sya declare kaseng as a kum kata ka ban organization di babun ki bentang apply I lawyer in kham puncai ya pi press media kham ba ki pada kan yo ya ka jikte secession of areas of the state of Meghalaya largely inhabited by Khasi and Jaintia tribes from India. Tarik point 1. Kapal law strategically will be along continued intimidation and bullying of the civilian population for extortion of funds. Kata karung kita juga kadang kita ka extortion of funds. Kapal law ba ka Hnlc maintaining with other certain group in Northeast. Kita tidak point kawasan wong ba kadang bentang atau solve properly ki criminal cases kaba control ki explosion dan ki planting of explosive hak ba jalan Meghalaya dan usna mana do khandro trik nomba ka khandai ado report trik ju jalan susah nangta but ka iPad so we go some point long whereas the following has also been noted during the period nadu khandro nomba ka khandai ado like ju na jalan susah but new plan disahkan ba sujing seronda di kota kara sudah lo kita jadi nongol ke batu syang nongol ke liga tribunal ban declare Hnlc sebagai organisasi ban extend yang declaration ini kada orang ni lalu sedang ke peace process peace talk kalau kita kuat juga Hnlc kalau yang sini alai pasang penikaran berka government limba Hakhmat yang central government baru berka state government banyak keren dia katakan suara bagi baka sengkan posisi Hakhmat yang ini peace process long dengan wengnya kata ya kan ni kemudian aslam tam lah pasang dia katakan political dialogue ini political channel kumnu dengan wengnya kata negara yang gas central state government yang kimlah wengnya kata kemudian apa kapani baka Hnlc kan kuai bangga kemusian kuai baka Hnlc kan wan masyarakat jika subuk Sarkar habang ilafir hak political platform kemudian ke Hnlc dah kata jimfu ban yai peteng ya peace process kam bansi ban sim dengan ka politik ya judicial platform pakai dah ka Thung yo konselor dan wilayah juga sai bo Ïasaid hak tribunal ba kumnu ba balai ba bamdeshu ba declare ban national sai Teori katakan long yang lalu cuma ingin even komen melihat lalu wasnan peace process presidency kalau serius dengan peace process nah kata bakal afir political platform tegak kuat banyak dari judicial redress yang mereka bentang industri bala nagaleng state government kini bersucu bagan bakal presidency kalau serius dengan peace process tegak syong sa haka role bakal shim ganega kini ban persen yang Union of India subhachal lagayal bakini ban persen state government Hakhmat kan tribunal ba kumno kin snai ya kalak kanti wa ada kadai mengapo tribunal kin snai kalak kanti ba ka Hnlc kan wan dia Hakhmat sistem ke habili ni ka peace process
ini ka tribunal konstitusi hadir ba kelapa Hnlc yang tak ada o ministry na
kan ka tribunal ka donor orjalar ke nanu badiga kalau dia ada tribunal hamam bayi di militan groups for this bahawa ibu benda ini konstitusi ini tribunal pada ni kan tribunal kalau ke special court berbaik dia ni ki UAPA cases kontam ya bagi militan organization ni kita ki sehingga
kamu kasih stand kamu kalau ini allegations coba bu nak ministry ban itu kan rubbish kan deny what is allegation
kadang-kadang kita tahu bukan saya nama nakalian ke government nakalian ke establishment nakalian ke state central government kita kini buat ini ke accusation terkumpul dengan tribunal teka saya kan jom benda kan saya tidak jom benda nama ba hababun ke benda ni ba kadon ke jing ko habai ini ke justification ni kita makan justification ni kita ki explosive activities kababun kita kadon ke jing ko ba nakalian lagi bor kulit ni bor sokal bila hampir 4% bagi dia siap dia itu persen. Teka syampa ka hari yang bisa bahkan ka tribunal ba lawyer juni ban yakun pada kata apa hak bentang pada poka tribunal.
Hak bagi ban kaniga kes kepada juga belak kepada juga UAP mau tribunal mau kani ketika one bit direct kaniga home ministry of home affairs mau Nimba kadika notification New Delhi dan 13 November 2024 di hakabaide bakane bala isu yang ini notification baru yang ini ka case ka mukaddas ne hapo kaban salong ne hapo ka state convention ka long haka atau atribu ma cintaku arya sa te hadde ron kani menurem warna kali ngaseng ke lemarkan kum gane ka notification kilabu syaiba ka Hnlc kum kawai nak kita kiseng ba ke sokar kalanyo ba kede ki kalanyo ba kede ka ba offer mah on offer mah te haju bopor te kilabu syai ni ba kimpo dau konsen advocate konsen mah ban yakun yang di kam fit halo gane ka nomrem te nak kalian dengan jok kesengi kalaya Hakhmat ba lingba jamu siang badi interlokutor te kelapa e kene city mo kani ka bawan lingba jokan new trap national liberation council mo kani ka kredit retrik march area absa ba tho shai gomne tu Fernando Shangpliang appointment of legal representative with reference to the subject mentioned above the new trap national liberation council Hnlc is pleased to appoint Master Fernando Shangpliang as its legal representative to represent the organization in matters relating to the extension of the declaration of Hnlc as a banned organization by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. As rescheduled, date of the hearing has been fixed on the 22nd March 2024 at State Convention Center, 2025 at the State Convention Center, Meghalaya. The Hnlc hereby informed the concerned authorities that the Council has appointed the aforesaid mentioned advocate to represent the organization in this matter, issued by the authority of Hnlc, and has been signed by Bobby R. Marwan, Chairman of the Hnlc, and San Kupar Nongtrao, General Secretary of Hnlc. Ke halor kani ka benta hadin banglayo ngilayo ya kani ka city na sen te na kaliang kejungiro ngakum we consent ngala submit ya kani ka intimidation letter hapo office jong USP hani isksil te ban nak ju ka poro ngila haga bide kani ban represent liting ye kani matar no haga bide ba kani ga UAP ka ban long ka bala ka issue da ka ministry hak khandai trip nombar adu sa mo ka bangi submit mentakas ni ka khandai trip bu march are represent but ya kani la de receive hidak nak kalian jong ka office jong USP te kandiak halor bat kani mo halor ngakwa ban percaya kandiak halor bari kani ka not fiction ka ba ndei ban nyinya ha ka ba labu ba lakhen ya ka Hnlc mo ba ya kani ba kadi kata keseng ka ba katkum ka jingbu jong ka Ministry of Home Affairs Union of India kala ong ba kini mo ba ka Hnlc ka maintain links with other insurgent groups mo long kini bang ki point ki ba ka ba na kalian jo Home Ministry ka bu mo long ka pen i ba ka Hnlc ka dengti mo bat kini ji of the northeastern region for carrying out acts of aggression and intimidation kadang ku ka point ru ka ong ne ba indulged in 48 criminal cases including the several case of explosion or plan of the explosive in the state of Meghalaya during the period from 16 November 2019 to 30 June 2024. Sisyo kani ga nufsyan ka amba ka katkum ga 100 November aja katandai to 19 June 2024 ba ladap kem hadu kumba 73 of its kada during the said period but haini period mo kani kawan kani nufsyan te sisyo ga ko ban hangne haga bide ba kani ba ya ka katkum kani ga section 3(1) jong ka UAP 1967 ka kran shai hane ba ya ka new threat national liberation council along with all its faction wings and front organization has as an unlawful association the central government having regards to the unlawful activities mentioned above that the unlawful activities committed in the past by the new threat national liberation council is of the opinion that circumstances which necessary to declare the new threat national liberation council Hnlc along with all its faction wings and front organization as unlawful association in exercise of the power conferred by the provision of section 3 of subsection 3 of section 3 of the said act more kani ka unlawful activities prevention act hani kalau amba maybe under section 4 of the said act have been immediate effect from the 16th of November 2024 for a period of 5 years một kata ke jingkhen illegal unlawful ya kaseng Hnlc te kani gadi gawe kabagawan nak buat kana ka Home Ministry Union Government kalau kani ka nomor te kalau bu constitute ru hangne mo ya kani ka unlawful activities prevention tribunal mo kani ka bawan ni napo kaya in the matter of the new threat National Liberation Council Hnlc of Meghalaya dated 3/1/2025 present Honorable Master Justice Sumitra Saikia that is the presiding officer Shri Subhas Chandra KL Land Special Prosecutor represented on behalf of the Union of India but kumjuru nakaliang jong state government la present lagi IPS sama te rengkat bat kiwi ki he besar ki jongka ke bade jongka ha po superintendent of police Shillong branch jong Meghalaya te ka order ka bami ni kat kum kene division kani ka tarik ko ba khala trip ku November area besar issued by the government of India in the Gazette of India Dictionary state the reason and ground that declared the new threat National Liberation Council of Meghalaya hereinafter referred to Hnlc as unlawful association within the meaning of section 3(1) of the UAP Act 1967 kata kawan katkum kanika UAP Act te chuchu onong ni ba another gazette notification mo dated 6 December 2024 was issued in the Gazette of India Dictionary constitute the tribunal for adjudicating ini ikutian adjudicating whether or not there is a sufficient cause for declaring the aforesaid organization as unlawful association under the Act mut ini pun mo ba kan declare mut na kalian jong ka Hnlc kan ne khon kan ne mo